Hey y'all, Ms. Star back here on Ms. Star TV, and this time I'm going to show you a simple, easy Valentine's Day look. So if you'd like to see how I achieve it, then please keep watching. Okay, first I'm going to apply my face primer like this. Now I'm going to fill in and shape my brows with my brow pencil, like this. Now I'm going to use my concealer all around my brows and on my eyelids as an eyeshadow base and everywhere else I want to conceal, like this.
From everywhere, I know you wanna see places. I just wanna see you there.
Okay, now I'm going to use my pressed powder to set the eyeshadow base. Of course, you can use any sort of eyeshadow that's closest to your skin tone, like this.
We could go far. I wanna take your heart. Don't tell them where we are.
Okay, now I'm going to use the light brown shade in this L.A. Colors Nude Glam Birthday Suit eyeshadow palette using a medium fluffy brush in the creases, like this.
No, nobody's got to know.
Okay, now I'm going to use this small dome brush and the NYX Professional Eye Color in Stripped, making points on the outer edge and inner edge. Then I'm going to use the same brush that we used with the brown, blending on the outer edges of those. Okay, going back to this eyeshadow palette, I'm going to use my fingers, taking the bronzy color, putting it all over my eyelid and up to my crease, and then using my finger, taking the golden one and putting it right down the center, just like this.
Nobody's got to know. I could take you anywhere.
Okay, now I'm going to use my marker liner to make cat eyes on both eyes. Then I'm going to outline both waterlines using my auto eyeliner, like this.
Don't tell no one, we'll go where the wind blows. Evaporate into thin air, like we were never here. No one's got to know.
Okay, now I'm going to put my mascara on both the top and bottom lashes. After that, I'm going to use a makeup wipe to clean up everything under my eyes before I put on my foundation and setting powder, like this. I'm going to apply my foundation and setting powder as I normally would.
From everywhere, I know you wanna see places. I just wanna see you there. Anywhere you wanna go, I can make your body glow now, honestly. We could go far. I wanna take your heart. Don't tell them where we are. All around the stars. Don't you tell them where we are. Nobody's got to know. No, no.
Now I'm going to highlight and contour as I normally would, like this.
Nobody's got to know. Nobody's got to know.
Now I'm going to put on some pink lipstick and some pink lip gloss, like this. Now I think I'll finish it with some gems here and here, like this.
No, nobody's got to know. I could take you anywhere. Name the place, I'll take you there. Oh no, before we're old and gray, run through our head. Don't tell no one, we'll go.
Thanks so much for watching. This was simple, easy, and fun. If you like what you saw, click that like button. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click that subscribe button. If you have any questions, suggestions, concerns, or ideas, please put those in the comment section below and we'll get to those as soon as we can. Don't forget to follow us on Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok for behind the scenes and so much more. And don't forget, you can become a huge part of our Star TV family by supporting us on Patreon. Thanks so much, guys. Bye.